All right, before we actually come inside studio, we could take Cocoa of the Day. Now, Cocoa of the Day is actually the thing where all of us discuss on top. I know we don't discuss things, but we discuss more on this. Now, our Cocoa of the Day. Who comes first in a man's life? Mother, wife, or daughter? Fiona, talk to us first.
The wife.
The wife? Why? Why not mother?
Because your mother's got a husband to do that, so why would you
Daughter,
care about a daughter? I don't really like guys who go on about their daughters too much. Freaks me out.
Okay.
I don't think so. I think, yeah, definitely the wife should be
Why?
number one.
Badmus?
You did miss out something there.
Okay,
What
what time
did you
is
miss
out?
out?
What of father?
No,
No,
this one
let's
are
take
the
out
three.
father.
Now women
Three
will
women
talk
in your
about
life.
father
Yeah.
Wife.
Daughter.
and mother.
And
Mother.
My mama don't already born me. You understand? And she
okay.
don't already use part of her life before I even go reach that stage.
Okay.
So me, I just dey bring my head, come outside. She did very important, no get am wrong. Then my wife, you know, now my wife, nobody fit take her place. You understand? What she fit do for me, my mama no fit do. So for me, if I'm lucky to have a daughter, I think my daughter I go put
You
my
go
daughter.
come first
Yes.
before your wife.
My daughter.
Oh, you
because
see, this
na
is
my
mad.
offspring. Now my offspring, you understand? So
You know it's Badmus, no verse and one cut t-shirt. I just
Okay.
like your point. You know I like Badmus' point. The truth now be say these three people where you put for table and mother no suppose they there. The competition they between the wife and the daughter.
right.
Because the point now be say yes, we know say as soon as I marry, you and your wife don't become one. But check your pikin now your blood.
Your blood.
Yeah.
As in your blood. The point I be say, true, when we put their two for table, say, may you pick one. Say if you no pick one, okay, maybe say, daughter they here now, wife they here. They won't come on one from your body. Most men go pick the wife. But inside the heart, for most men,
Now the
na
daughter. Because online, we actually post them online, and about 90% of men talk say they go pick their wife.
Really?
Yes, 90% of men.
Nigerian men.
Nigerian men, sorry.
So you need a Nigerian man.
All right, why we still talk about Nigeria, make we just let you know this information. It's good news, Nigeria. Should we be happy or make we dey sad? You want to say waiting?
They don't bring light.
No. All right, they never been lied, but this one, according to research by Alternates, they say Nigeria now, they don't join the list of most sexually satisfied country. Now, the first country now, Switzerland. The thing where they tell you, say, look, they tell you that you look education, sex education, and also people where they actually do some kinds of survey for public and some other things. Now they join together to put Nigeria inside this category. Now, make I just tell you people where they for there. Number 1 na Switzerland. Number 2 na Spain. Number 3 na Italy. Number 4 Brazil. Brazil. Number 5 Greece. Number 6 Netherlands. Number 7 Mexico. Number 8 India. Number 9 Australia. Number 10 Nigeria. 11 Germany, and 12 China. Now, why they actually read this one? It just they're very sad to me. Because there's no other African country. There's even South Africa where they get lights, they get water, they get everything. They're not inside there. But Nigeria will not get lights.
But at the same time, I get just one question.
Just one.
One question on
Say
something when you talk. Now, this sexual satisfaction when they talk about, who here?
Oh, yeah.
Who here?
All right, so now it's all up to you to rejoice or make you not rejoice. Should we be happy, say Nigeria, they don't list them as the most sexually satisfied country in the world? From 1 to 10, only Nigeria will be the African country where they inside that one. Should we be happy at least? We'll not get light, we'll not get fuel, but at least they still recognize
We
us.
should
Say
be
we get
happy.
satisfied.
We should be happy.
It's okay.
All right, Fiona, just tell us again, just let the people know again where you're going to show the premiere of this your documentary.
Okay, yeah, so it's going to be in Freedom Park in the islands, isn't it?
Yes.
Yeah.
Today?
Today
That's
at 7 p.m.
Old prison.
Old prison.
That's a Broad
and-
Street.
Yeah, on Broad Street at 7 p.m. Please
So-
come. It's the British Council funded project, and it's going to be the premiere screening
Called-
tonight.
Called
7
what?
to what time?
All that is golden glitters.
Glitters. You know,
7 till 8.
Okay,
probably.
golden
All that is
glitter.
All that is golden.
Golden glitters.
Glitters. Oh.
All
Nice
that is
one.
golden.
So I want,
Glitters.
yeah, and I'm going to show it. Hopefully, going to get it shown in different festivals around
Beautiful.
internationally as well. And
Beautiful.
Come
And this
back
one will
again more.
take us everywhere.
Yeah.
Beautiful. All right, Abel, make yourself available today, Freedom Park, 7 p.m.
Yes, yes.
For all that is golden
Golden
glitters.
glitters.
Yes.
All that is
Thank you so
golden
much,
glitters.
Fiona.
Yeah, thank
Say
you
you
so
enter
much.
our studio. And thank you so much,
thank
Badmo. Say you bring her and you speak the pidgin while she speaks the English.
It's been very good.
We don't learn some French today now.
Oh yes, we've learned so much. you
Yeah,
know.
so much, my
And on that
darling.
note, we've got to go because we've got another show tomorrow.
Yeah.
And
As we they always the talk.
to talk no be bad thing, but make you know what thing to talk about.
Bye bye. Bye bye.
If you know, just enjoy the video they want to just watch, make una sharply subscribe to our channel. Not darling.